Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a border to Photopea website. So all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So of course, when you open your browser, just go here to the URL and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. So that will actually take you into this page, and from here you can actually create a new project, open something from your computer, use some of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. So for me, I'm just going to click at new project and click at some template like here, simple template. And of course, as you can see, once you click on a template, you'll need to wait until it loads. So once it's loaded, you'll find every component in this template here at the right, and you can actually like move the text, I don't know, edit it, move the background, edit it as well, and do whatever you want. Of course, if you want to undo something or go back by a step you did it or something like that, just go and hit the Control Z, and as you can see, you will go back to where you was at. So of course, let's just go back to the idea of the video, which is how to add a border to a text or to an image. So let me show you first to an image. You can just go and insert an image on this gallery option. Let's just close it now. Make it smaller a bit. Let's make it the first one here to appear the first one. So from here, you'd like to go and click as edit right here and go to stroke. And of course, you'd like to add some size right here. Maybe you can even change the color of it. Click as OK, then OK. Okay, you would like to wait. Let me just go here, resize this, then edit, stroke, do this, OK, and OK. And as you can see, we actually add the border to this image. Of course, we can do the same with a text. Just go and select the text right here, then right click on it and raster sizes first, then just go here to edit and stroke, add some, maybe this one blue, okay, and okay. And as you can see, we did the same for this. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.